Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you the 4 main type of crypto wallets that I actually use, whether I'm day trading, deploying automated crypto bots, trying to earn passive income, or for my long-term storage. Now, the first type of wallet that I use, it's probably the least secure type of wallet, and that's an exchange wallet. Unfortunately, they are a necessary evil, whether you're day trading or deploying automated crypto bots. You've got to have money on an exchange for those trades to happen. And as you can see, I try to at least spread my funds out over several different exchanges, whether it's Binance, Bittrex, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, KuCoin. I don't like to keep all of my funds on one of these exchanges in case it was to get hacked. Now, a couple of them have been hacked. They've either recovered all the funds or at least made good on all the funds. Last year, KuCoin got hacked for like $285 million. They recovered the majority and their insurance fund paid for the rest. So none of their users actually experienced losses. So you definitely need to do your recon when it comes to the exchanges to make sure the funds you hold on those exchanges are as secure as they possibly can be. The saying of not your keys, not your wallet, or not your money. These wallets are the definition of not your keys, not your money, or not your wallet. They hold your funds. You have access to those funds as long as they allow you to have access to those funds. Now, the next type of wallet that I use is a Celsius wallet, and it is still a centralized type wallet. So again, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. But in this case, I've done my recon on Celsius Network, and I'm comfortable holding not all my funds, but a portion of my funds on their wallet. And currently, that wallet is only available on your phone, but they are working on a desktop version that will probably be out in the next month or two, most likely by the end of March 2021. And as you can see, this is the user interface over here on the far left. And the reason why I hold these funds on this particular wallet is they pay outstanding interest rates. Bitcoin, I'm getting paid 6.20%. Synthetics, I'm getting paid almost 14%. Ethereum, 5%. BAT token, that's a long-term hold for me. It had been sitting in one of my long-term storage wallets, earning $0. Now it's earning almost 4% interest. And I've only had this wallet for a couple months, and I've already earned $49 on a fairly low balance. And so I do intend on moving more funds over to this wallet. As I often do with the exchange wallets, I take my profits off of the exchanges and usually move them to cold storage. But I will be moving some of those profits to the Celsius wallet and the rest to cold storage. Another great feature that Celsius offers, if you're new to the world of crypto, you can actually buy cryptocurrencies with your bank account. As you can see from this demo, I was going to purchase 1 ETH, and all I really had to do was connect my bank account or debit card, and I could actually buy ETH or BTC or any of the available cryptocurrencies they offer. You can actually buy with your bank account, so you don't need to set up a Coinbase account to buy crypto or buy it through PayPal. I've done a video on why you shouldn't do that, and if you missed that video, then first off, maybe now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss those type of videos. But I will leave a link in the description down below so you can check out that video. And with that all being said, the next type of wallet that I use is a software wallet that is on your device, like a computer or your mobile phone. And that software is called Exodus. Now, I've been using Exodus since late 2017, and I have absolute confidence in this wallet. However, I do see I need to transfer some funds off of this wallet into cold storage. But with that being said, this is a wallet that you control the private keys on. The keys are yours, and therefore the crypto is yours. And basically, Exodus encrypts your private keys and your transaction data on your device. So in this case, it's on my computer. So my data stays private. There is no account, there's no sign up, there's no information that you provide Exodus. You simply download the software and transfer your cryptocurrency off your exchanges or what have you into your wallet. And worst case, if you lost your computer or the hard drive crashes, you do get a 12-word passphrase to restore your wallet. And I've done a video on that in the past as well. Just check out my playlist on how to do that. And the nice thing with Exodus is they offer about 125 different coins that you can hold. They have an exchange built in, so I could exchange Bitcoin for Ethereum, or any coin I hold. I could exchange Ethereum for something like Uniswap, but I will tell you there's a pretty big fee for that convenience. So I don't typically use this feature. What I really use this wallet for is more of like a sweep account. It's to pull profits off the exchanges and sometimes put money on the exchanges. And I use it to then take those profits and move them over to cold storage, typically in the form of Bitcoin. And with that being said, the integration between this software and my cold storage, which is a Trezor wallet, which I connect to my computer, and then this Monero wallet, for example, this one here that's connected, the software then allows me to work within a user-friendly interface rather than trying to work little buttons and what have you on the cold storage. Now, as my cold storage, I keep several of these Trezors on hand. I prefer to have a little bit on each Trezor. And you want to make sure if you're going to buy a Trezor that it's brand new, it's never been opened, the plastic sealing's on, and this little security seal is still in place. Otherwise, someone could have access to your keys. And much like the Exodus software, if you were to lose the little Trezor device or it was to get damaged, there is a multi-word passphrase that would allow you to actually recover your wallet. And then as far as security goes, it doesn't get much more secure than one of these Trezor wallets. It's offline, I store it in a fireproof safe, and therefore no one has access to it through the internet. I would be the only one who has access to it when I connect it to a computer through a USB cable. And with that being said, I don't typically transfer any of the funds I hold on these Trezors or cold storage back on to exchanges or anywhere else. I just keep them in long-term storage, and like I said, in a fireproof safe, and forget about them. So to recap, my favorite form of storage is going to be the little Trezor wallets. Number 2 would be the Exodus software wallet. My third favorite, I'm really starting to like this wallet, is the Celsius Network wallet. And I will leave a link in the description for Celsius, Exodus, Trezor, if you're interested in downloading the software or buying one of the Trezor wallets from them. I actually bought around 15 wallets directly from the company, and they sent them over via DHL. And the price was a lot lower than trying to buy them on eBay or Amazon. So you might consider buying directly from Trezor. I also did that for the sake of knowing where it came from, that it would be a little more secure than buying something off of Amazon or eBay. And then the last type of wallet, which is just a necessary evil of what I do, and that's day trading, deploying crypto bots, is these exchange wallets. But again, if you disperse your funds accordingly, you at least have a chance to limit. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick video. I started to get a lot of questions of what type of wallets I use. I think that's because we have a bunch of FNGs coming on board, and I want to welcome you all. And I also want to make sure you're getting a good start. So hopefully this video will help you out. And if you like the video, do me a favor and spike a like. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to shoot that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I will leave links to these wallets in the description down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.